Forget about the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G and get ready for the Samsung next 3 foldable phones. Even though Samsung has yet to release its considerably more durable, powerful and beautiful sequel to the first generation of Galaxy Fold, the company is already reportedly working on a flurry of additional foldable devices that could see daylight sometimes in next year. These are likely to include both a proper sequel to the Galaxy Z Flip and lower cost clamshell model of some sort, as well as a grand total of 3 new members of the Galaxy Z Fold family. The latter consists merely of recently revealed Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G variant and 2019 non-5G Galaxy Fold. So if Samsung does indeed plan to roll out the Z Fold Lite, Z Fold 3 and Z Fold S in the near future, that clearly suggests that the company is aiming to turn foldable into mass-oriented products. Unfortunately, we are pretty light on details for time beings, and the Twitter tipster behind the 3 handset name is not exactly the world's most reputable source of classified information on unreleased smartphone. Although according to Sam Mobile, this was one of the first ever rumors to report on the original 5G enabled Fold last year. The Galaxy Z Fold 2 Lite has been in news before. This watered down Galaxy Z Fold model is now widely expected to go official no sooner than earlier next year, presumably resembling the first generation of Galaxy Fold more than the vastly improved Z Fold 2 5G. That means the cheap and fragile plastic coating of the main screen is likely to make a comeback, replacing the state-of-the-art ultra-thin gloss technology on the Galaxy Z Flip and the Z Fold 2 5G. If you are willing to make that compromise and settle for the type of plastic called colorless polyamide, rumors has it you will be able to get a fancy looking foldable handset in exchange for $900 or even less. Obviously, the Galaxy Z Fold Lite is unlikely to look quite as fancy as the Z Fold 2 5G, possibly sporting a primary flexible display with a large notch, a Deviant strip stylus secondary panel for alerts and notification, and not much else. The inexpensive phone could also borrow the dual rear-facing camera system from the last year Galaxy Fold, although it's clearly too early to certain of things like imaging specification, processing power, or the memory and storage option. Moving on towards the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Fold S are largely clogged in secrecy. If Samsung is truly thinking of pulling the plug on the Galaxy Note series, it would definitely make sense for the Galaxy Z Fold lineup to be expanded every fall. And if the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5G follow-up efforts break into the mainstream, we can also understand why Samsung would want to separately experiment with various quickly foldable concepts. Enter the Galaxy Z Fold S, which could be the world's first smartphone to fold both inwards and outwards, thus taking the flexibility and versatility of the Z Fold 2 5G and Z Flip 5G to a whole new level. While we are not exactly sure how something like that would even work, we are certainly excited about both the Galaxy Z Fold S and Galaxy Z Fold 3, tipped to integrate both S Pen support and UTG technology. What we are not particularly excited about is seeing how Samsung will manage to fix the price problem of S Pen, rumored to be included in the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 3. Adding the stylus compatibility to foldable devices is a much more delicate and complicated matter than just adding an S Pen itself. The company needs to further strengthen the display and implement a digitalizer feature, both of which are pretty costly operation. Threatening the mass appeal of the Galaxy Z Fold 3, undoubtedly set to also offer everything from standard 5G connectivity to the latest Snapdragon SoC, whole lot of memory storage and a bunch of state-of-the-art cameras. So guys, these are some of the early leaks right now. Take these leaks as a pinch of salt. What would be your opinion about these 3 devices? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and also please do consider subscribing my channel for more updates. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out.